Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, power the Quest Pro headset on and ensure both controllers show some charge, at least 20% so they respond. Once done, locate the small reset pinhole on each controller. You'll need a paperclip or SIM tool to press it. Press gently and hold for the first action. This triggers the low-level reset, which clears controller memory. Make sure you're in a well-lit area so you can see the tiny button. This first step gets the process moving. Once you've started, press and hold the reset pin for about 10 to 15 seconds while watching the controller LED. You'll see it blink, then go solid, and finally turn off. That sequence confirms the controller's internal settings were cleared. Make sure to release only after the LED completes that pattern, because premature release leaves partial state behind. Then wait 30 seconds to let capacitors discharge before repeating the same hold. After resets, turn the headset back on and pair each controller through settings right arrow devices right arrow pair new controller. Select the controller when it appears. If pairing fails, reboot the headset, wait 10 seconds, then retry. Many issues clear with a simple reboot. If controllers still won't pair, try one more reset cycle, and as a last resort, perform a headset factory reset. Keep in mind that resets clear local data. If problems persist, collect error behavior and contact support for advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.